Watch how this guy turns two old broken chairs into a luxurious aquarium. You'll see that true masters never take the usual route. First, he brings over two worn-out chairs from his uncle's place. He saws off one armrest, sets it in the corner, and gets ready to work. He takes a piece of cotton cloth and dips it into cement he's already prepared, mixing and stirring until every inch is soaked through. Then, he spreads the cement-soaked cloth over the chair, adjusting its position so it's smooth and even, covering every little nook and cranny. He adds a thick layer of cement on the surface and smooths it out. Next, he clears out the spot for the aquarium and moves the dried chair into place. He fills the gap at the bottom with bricks, embedding a soft hose at the back for later use. Then he fills the gap on the other side with bricks too. Around the outside, he builds a brick wall. With skills like his, you can tell he's done plenty of construction work. Otherwise, most people couldn't lay bricks so perfectly straight. He coats both sides of the wall with cement, then polishes it until it's smooth and flat. Next, he fills a rectangular mold with cement and smooths the surface. He lays a pre-cut pattern on top of the cement, then uses a small trowel to carve out the design. He makes a second pattern piece the same way, trims the design, and refines the cut once more. Once dry, he marks 3 small holes and drills them through one by one. Then he takes the 2 carved cement panels and mounts them on top of the chair. He adds another layer of cement on top, smoothing it with a sponge. Using a wooden strip as a ruler, he draws crossing diagonal lines to make it more stylish. After drying, he coats the edges with thick cement and shapes them into smooth, rounded curves. He does the same in the middle, and how it turns out depends on his sense of aesthetics. What do you think of his taste? Once the cement hardens, he removes the excess. He installs water pipes into the 3 holes, supports the back gap with tiles, and fills it with cement. He cuts several pieces of PVC pipe, assembles them like in the video, and on the surface, covers them with cement. He tops the outer wall with half-round cement. He applies glue to the bottom of the glass and installs it. Then he paints it in his favorite colors to make the aquarium perfect. He applies 2 coats of paint, giving it a truly luxurious look. And just like that, the aquarium is complete. He fills it with spring water, drops in a small water pump, and adds aquatic plants and gravel to the top and bottom. Finally, he borrows a few fish from his neighbor, bringing the whole aquarium to life. And there you have it, a fully functional aquarium with an endless water circulation system built from scratch. How would you rate this masterpiece? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.